Therefore, me ma kwaba at the Badum TV. I dare me denese and that's so do a video to Adoma, which Nkuranhyensem we. When I mean shirao. I mean shirao papa. When I mean me na so fancy no ma na kandie and count 100 day. Na me ye de nware ne. Me edi am yeso anita kotegu. One was say me adwuma wa Ministry of Health kakra. Me abrantie no. Na Ministry of Health the policy and I on krata bi atintimu a yeso di bubra. Your AIDS policy, your hand washing policy, your infection control policy. Your name atintimu a yeribu boy ho ban efi yadewa ho. And necessarily the policies for success and I'm the brewo. Saso na mpuntu ye dey so what the policy. And in the fakrata naturally the first policy of success is curiosity. Curious. That's the first policy of success. If you want to be successful, you have to have the ability to open your mind to new ideas. Curiosity. Be curious about things. And so to me be a dream. Now I feel you say. Now we change some. And then same be an etie. And you be an etie. You want someone I say will be a wasum. Not be a weni. Now when ye need to be curious. Now what should you maybe? Say open alternative views. Ya chire obibi. Dear chire me ya papa. Dear be na metime asua afa ho. Ya chire kwan bi e fa so kokumase. Asukwan fofo bi wa metime afa ho. You be curious about life. You need to have ways of solving problems. Kwan bi wa ya chire say e bia owo nam kra anye de. So bi say aso wo nam pass anye de. You need to be curious about things in life. That is the first law of success. Stop living in fear and worry. Instead, take control of your life. Remember, everything is possible for you. It is important to remind yourself that you don't have to be an expert in everything. But you can always become better. So the first policy of success is to be curious, to open up yourself to learning new things. The second policy is to learn from failure. Obi a ye bia friend was and now obi a we di mu bia brabo mu no obeka ne da cha asem a kire wo hey na me sua no na me yesei na me koton dokono na me tompie water na me hwe ase na ye bom me na ye tia me obi a wanya ye die bia no e wo na anu bia asem o fa mu wakase ni nyina me bugu machi na me call many. So you have to learn from your painful days. You have to learn and embrace learning and learn from your failure. Learning from your mistakes, learning from your disappointments, learning from your difficult circumstances, and you will move on. And then I will share another day, our warrior woman. And then I will share our brabo boimu. Now, I got to there, Antono, then I will share ye. I say, we should buy. Now, policy be at the buy an annual yamano, then I will share free mu. I saw a niebi. I saw a from so be away. You need to learn. The second policy for success is to have a learning attitude. Number 3, challenge your negative views. To be successful, where okaso be ye pe o bo ntimi ye wo sa woni hwan o jai where dey muntimi ye we Ghana ni muntimi ye e bia na wanya timopo bi enya da esu bi se peso bi soronko na abaguro nsem abagu wadwen proso. So be ya sa abagura sem no to twene metimi ayo. Recognize your negative perceptions and identify your self-talk and change your beliefs. Nyamigi de no kure. Nyamika ne kwanso no. What evidence do I have to support this belief? What can I do to change my belief? What can I do to change my thinking? What can I do to change my circumstance? So you have to let go the negative thoughts. Challenge it. So that's the third policy for greatness. The fourth one here, cultivate a positive mindset. Focus on what you can do better. Focus on what you can see and think about better. Focus on what will work than what will not work. Focus on what you can do and start doing it than what you cannot do. So, mama First one here, to open your mind, be curious. Second one is say obe sua de abiri biara. Third one is say obe tun your man ensem fata egu. And a fourth one is say what do I do betun de betime Kenya wo ho na ahye ma na ma watu mpon ho. Megiri say maka bibia kire ode. Abrabo ayebo say that bia no kasa obayo a wa wadwe betime aka wa hye o wontimi nye enkoyie saa adwe no to kyene. Na sua de na ben woni a won aye bida. Woni nkomo na hwa kwane a ofa so eye mi ametu yi juma me de nyina mo nkofo be ma hwe o ma no ne ye fa ba ko TD Jakes ye fa ba ko John Hagee ye fa ba ko Paula White Miles Moreau Mike Murdoch Creflo Dollar. These are people I have listened to. I have changed my mindset. There are people you need to listen to. There are people you don't have to listen to change your mindset. If you're able to change the way you think, you change your life for the best. Abrabo enye edine. Abrabo ni din ene wadwene. Saso na abrabo ni ye die ene ne mreyo ene wadwene. Kanioma enye egu fagu bolemu na Kenya ho na kansempa